Hello everyone, it's Uche Joe once again. I want to welcome all of you to this seminar. I'm glad we all made it today, okay? If you come with your laptop, you've got to get ready. If you're not with your laptop, that's okay. Just watch us as we do some stuff together. Learn. We got a lot to learn together, okay? Thank you so much. Like I told you, we're going to talk about coding. Okay, and when I say coding means writing computer code. That is using computer programming language. That is using computer programming languages, okay, to write something useful, or using computer programming languages to create something useful, okay, something that solves people's problems, okay. Back then when I was managing a printing and publishing company back then in Nnewi then, we used to have this particular problem. And that problem is a problem of costing. Costing maybe a printing job, we want to print brochure, magazine, then we want to cost it. This has always been a big problem to us. You know, not that we don't know how to cost, not that I don't know how to cost, but I am very busy. Okay, I've always been busy. I was busy. Okay, I've always been busy all along. So I was busy that someone will come for costing. I will be doing a lot of time, and I am the only person that know how to cost. Okay, I knew I am the only person that can cost. You get that? So it wasn't an easy thing. Okay, sometime I will be doing my graphic design or lecture. I will be called to do costing. I will rush, I will do costing, then I will go back to lecture or graphic design, and all these things to and fro. Sometimes I'll be costing, I will forget something. And you know, if you forget one thing and be costing, then you make mistakes. Probably you end up costing lower than you're supposed to cost, and then eventually you lose money. So this made us to lose some money. Until at a point, I started learning programming. When I started learning programming, everything changed. I found out that I can actually use the computer code to create something useful. I said, wow, so I can do this. Then I decided to create an application, a desktop application that we used to simplify costing. So I used that program for a long time. Okay, to simplify costing. Now I'm planning to recreate that program because now I know better. So I will recreate it and put it in a mobile application so that printers can have it, can pay for it and have it and use it. Okay, because I know that many printers are also facing the same problems. So if I can modify my application that you can now have it in your phone, you use it to cost. You can use it to cost the quantity of paper for the cost for the printing. This for printers. They know what I'm talking about. You cost the quantity of paper, the plating, the cost of plating, okay, everything, even the number of plates you're going to buy. Then the cost of impression, cost of finishing and everything, total cost, even transportation, that you have an application that can do all these things for you. That's amazing, isn't it? Great. So that is what I have worked on, and I'm going to convert it to mobile app soon. So I'm enjoying it, and I want to enjoy with you. That is why I'm starting this. You understand me? Good. So if you have your computer, get it ready. Turn it on, then you would have installed Notepad++. You need to install Notepad++ in your system to follow along. Are you getting me? If you know how to code before, then this is going to be beautiful. Okay? Good. If you don't know how to code, maybe you can watch me to see what I'm doing. Later, you can go to my website and download this tutorial and follow along. Do you understand? Good. You can download the tutorial, then you install mobile application, you install Notepad++ in your system, then you can do exactly what I did. and you get the same result. Having said that, what we are going to code today, we are going to just code a simple login form. We're going to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to code it. Okay? Yes, if you are ready, I am ready. Let's do it together. Okay, like I said before, you don't have to, if you are not yet good with coding, there's no need for you to bother bringing up your laptop. Just relax and enjoy the coding. Then after this, you can download, I will share a link that you are going to follow to download this tutorial. My boy there, the young man there, can also show you the link, can share the link. I can also share the link to you on WhatsApp. Okay, I can share the link to you on WhatsApp if I can share it here. I can share it on WhatsApp so that you can follow the link to download this video. Okay, this presentation, and follow along. Do you understand? So that you can do it at your own leisure time. Okay? Alright, so having said this, I think it's time to move on with the coding. We want to code a login form. Okay, that's just a form that you can enter your details in. And we're going to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These three programming languages are what we're going to use to do the simple coding. Okay, just get interested and learn it. It's simple. Okay, let's start with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Like I told you before, HTML is used to build a structure of a website. Just like if you are building a house, the first thing you do is to gather materials that are going to use to build the house. You start from the foundation, you build it up, you do fit. So all these things we are doing are like using HTML, okay, to start building something, maybe a web application or something. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. We are going to use HTML now to put together all that we need to build this form. Okay, so if you're interested, let's go there. Yes, we are going to move on with the simple login form. You know, I told you we are going to use the HTML programming language. Okay, I told you hypertext markup language. That is what we are going to use to start this simple login form. If you are ready, let's go there. I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to use this application called Notepad++. This is the application called Notepad++. We are going to use it. We are using it right now to do our coding. Okay, so pay attention. I know you are likely going to get confused in a way, but I am not actually trying to make you to understand the details of everything, because you actually need the primary knowledge to actually get through this, but try to understand as much as you can and enjoy the whole process. Eventually, if you see yourself in class, you will understand in details. Okay, they just you relax and enjoy this thing with me. By the time I'm done with it, you see that we can just write simple code and we get something fascinating from it. Okay, so you know, we want to exemplify. We want to use the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript to see what we can get. Okay, all right, let's go there. Remember that we are coding simple login form. Okay, let's go there. For you to start, you have to, first of all, you open doctype. Let me type it in capital letter. Okay, doctype HTML. Yeah, then you open it this way, telling the browser that this is HTML document. Okay, then you open the head. This is the head section of the HTML. Let me close it here. Then you close it down here. Okay, and inside the head, you come inside the head here this way. Maybe open the title, you give it a title. Let's call it practice or login. Let's call it login. Simple login. Okay. Then you close the title. Okay. So like I told you, if you don't understand all these things that much, don't worry. What's important is that eventually you see that all this code and all these things I'm coding will result to something nice. Okay. Then you have to come to review the body. Just know that the website has the head section and the body section. And what I'm working on now is the body section. The head section contains the title and the other links. Okay. Here I want to open the body tag. Open it. Come down here. Close it down here. Okay. Very good. Then inside the body tag, I'm going to start the form immediately. I'm not going to waste time. Probably I'm going to start with maybe form container. I'm going to first of all create a div, call it div, then give it a class name. Let's call it form container. Form container, okay? Beautiful. Then you come down here, you close the div. Then you close it well. Then you close the div here. Okay. Beautiful. Then inside the div, we start. Before I continue, let me say what I've done already. I'm going to save it. I'm going to create a folder on the desktop. I'll call it login, something like that. So I have to click on the folder here. Then I'll call it login, simple login. Okay. Login. Okay. Then inside it we have all the other things. Then you open it. Then I put I will call this, let's say, login.html. Okay. Login.html. Okay, because it is HTML document. Okay, good. Then you see, that's beautiful. You see that all these things have changed a bit. Their colors changed. Okay, now let's continue. Inside the login, inside the form container, I'm going to create another container that will encircle the form. This one is the main container, and the other one, this one will be there. Okay, let me just call this one container. Just container. Okay, beautiful. Then I'll call this. Then I'll say div class equals to. Then I'll call this one form container. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, then you close it. Come down here, you close the div. Beautiful. Like I said before, if you're not getting this, like if this is becoming confusing, don't worry. Eventually it will emerge, something will emerge and you will enjoy it. Okay? Just know that for now, what I've just created is something that will surround the form. Okay? So right now, I'm going to work on the form. I'm going to create the form. I'll say form. I'm going to just create a form. I'm not going to put anything there. Maybe I'll say for method post, Alright, for now, let it be this way. Alright, then you come down here and close the form. Beautiful. So I didn't close the form. Then you come inside the form. Let me save again. Yeah, then you come inside the form. This is going to have a header. Let me just use a H3. Let me use just a simple header first. Okay. Do I put H3 outside the form? Let me do it. Let me put it outside the form. Okay. Say H3. You say login, okay, then H3, close the login. Beautiful. Then inside the login form now, we are going to, the user is going to log in with, let's say, email and password. That's what we want to create now. So we say input type. We're going to call it email. Okay. Okay, then maybe we are going to give it a class of okay, we're going to give it a form of form control, a class of form control. Okay, something like that. Then after that, because I'm not coding it with any PHP, let me give the name. I'll just close it this way. Okay, maybe I'll come on, I'll remove it. Okay, here let me add a label. So I'll say label, then for email. Okay, label for email. Then you close it. Then you put the label, what am I going to call it? Email, good. Then close label. Beautiful. Then you come down here and add ID. For the label, just say ID equals to email. Beautiful. Okay, having done that, let's run this. So click on run here. That is, let's check what we've gotten so far. Okay, we'll click on launch in Chrome. So we want to use Chrome. I would have used Mozilla. Yeah, that's okay. Any of them, it's okay. So you see what we've gotten. So we have email. Okay, we have email, then we have the email controller here. Okay, that's where you type in email, and this is your email. This is the login, the heading. You get that? That's what we have so far. So you see we are moving. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make this label to be on top of that control. Okay, so I'll put break here. Let me see what I have also here. So you see email is on top of this, and that's okay. That's okay by me. Then I will repeat the process, but this time around I'm going to copy it to make it fast. Okay, I'll copy and paste. Alright, then I will have to put a password here for the label. Password, then here I will change the password as well. Okay, then change this to password. Okay, you can still name this maybe just pass if you want to distinguish it from a password type. Okay, but even if you leave it as just password, still okay. Then I think we are good to go. Having done that, so let's check again. Let's see what we'll have. Okay, let me just break here and break this. Let's see what we have right now. Okay, I think I have to put more right here. When you see password, we have password here, then we have email here. That's good. If you type in, you see that you're not seeing what you're typing, that's the password. You get that? Okay, this one is email. Alright, let's go back again. Let me put one more break to give a space between this. If you see there's a space between email and the password, which is what I want. So you see how I'm using HTML to put together all that I need, okay, for this login. So what remains now is the button. The button for this, I have to copy this break, put it down here, to make a space, then come down. Now I have to put a button. Let me close this. Then I have to put a button down here. Say a button. Okay. Maybe type. Yeah. Submit. Beautiful. That's great. Then I'm going to give it a class of form. Let's say form button. That's okay. Close this. Okay, then you give the button, you give it, type in what you want to do on the button, maybe login, something like this, login. Okay, close your button. Beautiful. Then close it very well. Yeah, the button is closed. Now let's check it again. Let's see what we have now. Alright, so see, we've been able to get all the HTML markup ready. You have the login heading, then you have the email and the email control. That is where you type in your email. Then this one is the label. Then we have the password label and then password control where you type in the password. Then we have the button. That's beautiful, isn't it? So that is how to start. We are just through with HTML. Okay, thank you so much. Now, having completed the HTML markup for the login form, and the login form has just your email and password. Okay, your email and password. That is what we are going to use to log in. Okay, so you have your email and password there. The next thing we are now going to do is that we are going to use CSS to style it, like to make it look beautiful and well positioned. Okay, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet. CSS can help us right now to properly position all these elements we've just brought forward. Okay, to help us to beautify it and make it look presentable. Okay, so I am going to quickly jump in there. Let's do it together. If you are ready, I am ready. Let's go there. Alright, we are back again. We are going to work on use CSS to style this form you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so we are going to use CSS to style this form to make it more visible and attractive. Okay, I just downloaded an image. A background image. You can download an image from anywhere, maybe from Google, and use it if you want to use an image in your background. Okay, good. So I will paste the image here. Alright, then I will rename the image and maybe I'll call it just background. Okay, it is a JPEG image. Okay, this is the image I'm going to use for the background of my login. Okay, alright, let's go there. I'm going to use CSS like I told you. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first of all link the CSS to the head. So I will say link relationship equals to style sheets. Okay, then hyperreference equals to style.css. Then you close it. Beautiful. Then this is the name of the CSS file I'm going to create. I've not created it yet. This is how to link down CSS. Okay, to your document. Then I will click here, create a new document here. Then I will save it as style.css. So I will say file save as. I will save it inside the login folder. It says style.css. Beautiful. Then you save it. Oh, great. So having done that, so we're going to quickly start with the body. Maybe first of all I will say HTML. I will just say no. Just put a asterisk for everything I'm going to do here. Then I will name it. They'll come down here. I will put first of all I will say margin 0, padding 0. Beautiful. And I will name it. I'll come down here. Or maybe I'll also come here and say box sizing the border box. Beautiful. I think that's okay. All these things are what you're going to learn by the time you start working with us. Okay. So I'll come down here right now. Just say body. I want to add a background image to the body. Then I'll bring the body this way. Then I will. Maybe I'll just do it down here. Yeah. Then I will add a background image. Okay, background image. Background image. Okay, then we say URL. It's going to be background of the background.jpg. Okay, JPG. Alright, that's there. Then close it. So let's see what we have now. Do you see the background has covered the whole page? That is the background I got. Okay, and these things are no longer visible. We will have to work on them. But if you watch, see that the background repeated. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say to make the background not repeat. I will say background repeat. I will say no repeat. No repeat. You get that? Alright, so let me see. Okay, I'm using, okay, let me use Mozilla Firefox instead. I think it makes sense. You see that it didn't repeat again. Let me close Chrome. So you see that we have only one background now. Now we want this background to fill the whole page. So we're going to say background size. Background size, we say cover. Okay, background position, center. Okay, okay, then okay, let's see what we have now. Okay, we're going to say, we're going to add height. Here quickly we say height is 100 there, viewport height. Okay. Alright, you see that it has covered, the background has been covered, the viewport, it has been covered. Okay, that's okay. You see that we've gotten a background for our login. Alright, let's keep moving. Having done with the background, the next thing we're going to start is the maybe the form container, or rather the container. Let's make the container. I will just copy the container here, and I will go to CSS. I will say dot container class. I will style it, and here I'm going to display. I'm going to say display flex. I'm going to convert it to flex. Then I'm going to say align content, align items. Okay, center. Then okay, then you add justify content, then center. Yeah, so let's see what we have now. Okay, this is centered here. Alright, so we go back to this. We are going to work on this form container now. So I'm going to open CSS again. So you see, these are what you are going to learn. They are just simple. The moment you start doing it, see that it's so simple and enjoyable. You are going to enjoy every bit of it. Okay, then form container. We're going to style it. First, we're going to give it background color of white. Okay. Then we give it padding of let's say, give it padding of 10 pixel, let's say 20 pixel. Okay, give it border radius, border radius of let's say 15 pixel. Okay, let's see what we have now. Do you see our login is taking shape now? So we have to come here and give it a width. The width of I'm going to give this a width of 300 pixel. Okay. See if we can increase this padding. Okay, let's give it 40 so that the height will adjust by itself. Beautiful. See, it's taking shape now. Okay, what we are going to do now is that for this to come to the center, exact center, which is what we want, we are going to come here, we'll put a height. Give you 100%. Beautiful. I didn't get this height correct. Beautiful. We'll give it height of 100%. Check. So you see that it is now at the exact center where we want it to be, which is what we want. Okay, you're going to separate that. There isn't a good space between login and the email, so we are going to separate it. So I'm going to go back to login. From here now put break, maybe to break it. Then maybe I will just come here and give it H1. It's going to be big, but let it be. That's okay. H1. Let me make it H1. Okay, that's beautiful. You see, our login is coming up. So we are going to style the control. Okay, the control, then the button and the level, then we are done. Let's go there. So let me get the control. Let me get hold of the control. The class of the control is phone control. Query here. So go to CSS. Okay. Then we're going to say the control is going to have a padding of maybe top and bottom will have let's say 5 pixel, 5 pixel much, let's say 3 pixel, any size is going to be. Then left and right we have 10 pixel. Okay, let's check it out. And maybe we're going to make width to be 100%. 100%. Alright. Let's see what we have now. So you see it's now becoming big. The control is now big and looking sweet. Okay, maybe I have to increase the width of this control or this phone container. Okay, let me increase the width to let's say 400. Maybe max width. 400. Okay. Oh, sorry, I used max. Just let me leave it width for now. 400. Okay, that's okay. Is it much? 350 is okay. 350. Alright. I think that's better now. Okay, so having done that, let me increase the control further. Maybe I will make this one to be This one should be 5 or even 10. Let me make it big. 10 by 15. By 15, that's okay. Maybe I can even make it to the rounded corner. A little bit of a rounded corner there. Border radius. So let's say 30 pixels. So you see how it is? Good. So I haven't gotten something this way, which is not bad at all. Let me not style it so much. Then I have to quickly go to there. I have to quickly rush to the label, and I don't give it a class. I have to come to this level now. I put the class equals to form level, okay, level. Okay, I will also give the same class to the level down here. Beautiful. Then, so I have to start this class right now. Okay, so let's go there. Font level, I'm going to give it a font size of let's say maybe 18 pixels. Let's say I'm going to be 18 pixels. Then I'm going to give it a margin of let's say 5 pixels. Now let's see what we have. Okay, that's okay. Maybe let me increase the margin a bit. 10 pixels. Let me see. Okay, let's continue. Let's quickly make some few amendments here. Here I'm going to put a display block here. Display block. Okay, then the pattern, I think I have to remove the pattern entirely. Then the margin, I'm going to make top and bottom 0, then left and right thing. I think that's okay. Let me see what I have. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, I've given this color, the color for this head H1. I gave it orange, so you look at it again. See the orange color, which is what I'm going to give it to the button as well now. So for the button, to make this faster, I've actually already written the code for the button, so I'll just copy at first paste the code to fasten the whole thing. So this is the form button, and this is background color orange, then color white, border setting, then padding. This is padding 30 pixels by 15 pixels, border no border, then width 100%, and font with bold. Just to fasten the whole thing, then you see, then we shape it up. So you see how it is. So you can type in whatever email address you want to type in. We are now ready. The login is ready and good to go. You can type in any email. You can type in your email. They say ushedule@gmail.com. Whatever you want to type. I think this text is tiny. Probably I have to increase it or come to font control. Say maybe font size. I'm not decide there. Let me just say 16 pixels. 16 pixels. Let's see what we have now. There, I think that's better now. ushedule@gmail.com. Then you put your password. Then you log in. When you log in, nothing happens. Anyway, nothing happens because
we've not coded something to make something happen. Okay, so as it is, I think it's a beautiful login and a beautiful login page we just created. If you want to see that we used HTML and CSS to get this done. Okay, thank you so much.
Good. Having completed the styling and you look at how beautiful it's looking, that's amazing, isn't it? Good. Then the next thing we are going to do together, just watch this. Don't get tired. Just keep watching and enjoying with me, okay? By the time you start coding, you are going to enjoy more. You're going to say, oh my God, is this what I'm missing? Okay, so let's do it again. This time we're going to use JavaScript. There's something I want to add with JavaScript here. Just something small, then we'll stop. Okay, and that's what we call alert box. Alert. Like when you enter a wrong information, probably you are supposed to enter, you are told to enter letters, you enter numbers. An alert box will appear telling you that you have to enter you have to put the right thing at the right place. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use this JavaScript to do. So if you are ready, let's jump right in. Let's do it together.
Yes, welcome back. Let's quickly talk about JavaScript. We want to create an alert box. We want to actually validate this form in such a way that when someone click on login without anything here, if someone click on login, an alert box will appear. Okay, an alert box will appear. If I click on login now, I see that nothing will appear, nothing is appearing. Now, I want a situation whereby when someone click on this login without any information here, a alert box will appear telling that person to do something. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use JavaScript to get it done. Okay? And to make it fast, I've written the code. I'll just copy the code and paste it here, because I've actually exhausted much of the time, okay? But then, let me explain something here. If you look at this form, I added an unsubmit event here, okay? Then this unsubmit has a function here. This function is what I'm going to code in the JavaScript, okay? So this is a function, so I'll come down here at the bottom. I'll paste the code that I've copied. I've coded already. I'll paste it and explain it to you because of time. Now I opened script, that's the JavaScript, and close it here. Then this is the function, and this is the validation name. Okay, then this is the email. We got the email with the ID, get examined by ID. This is the ID of this email. You see that? So we got the ID here. Actually, what we actually want to do is I just added the password. You can also get the password, but I'm not using the password of this validation. Okay? And this is what I just did. I am using JavaScript now. So what I did is that I said if email the value postcode empty, that is, it means if email is empty. That is the logic we are making there. If email is empty, what will happen? Okay? If email is empty, let's make it big. Good. Hope you can see that now. So if email, that's if the value of email control, if it's empty, alert, enter your email before login. So if the email is empty, what will happen is that JavaScript will bring up an alert box asking you to enter your email before login. You get that? That is the code you have here. And that's what we're going to execute. Okay, let's go here. Now I told you that JavaScript makes a web page functional, makes it interactive. Okay, interactive. That's what is going to happen now. It's going to interact with you, telling you to do something. So when I refresh now, when I click on this button, this will happen. See, this is JavaScript in action. Say, enter your email before login. You would have seen this in your browser. When you're browsing, that is JavaScript. You get that now. So you see how we're able to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to do something great, and I'm sure you love it. Thank you so much.
So you watch it right now. So having completed everything, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a simple login form. And you look at it, how it is looking so beautiful. And we've all participated in it, and you see how it is. Okay, that is how you can just start web development. This is just part of web development that you are introduced to right now, and I believe you enjoyed it. So I want to appreciate all of you for participating in this seminar. Then if you're interested to learn more, you want to register with us, please don't waste time. So meet the guy on ground, register, take a form, fill a form, then you register. Do you understand me? You register and then you start a course with us. You can register for either online or offline. If you are far away or you are too busy to be coming here every day, then you have to register for offline course, for online course. Sorry. But if you can be coming, that's great. You can register for the offline, and we will teach you. Other important information will be communicated to you by the people on ground. Okay, I want to appreciate you. Like I said before, if you want to reach me, please, if you've not saved my number, it's so important that you save it so you can be able to reach me. You're going to see the number on screen right now. You see this number? Beautiful. Get your phone ready, then save this number. Okay, save the number you're seeing on screen right now. Save it with Uchejo. Uchejo is my name. Okay, then after that, send me your name and the code you are seeing on the screen right now. Then send me your name and the code you are seeing on screen. Okay, send it to my phone number on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, please send it to WhatsApp. It's important that you send it to WhatsApp. Are you getting me? Yes, don't just send it as a text message. Like I've received some text messages from people. Okay, just send it as a WhatsApp message. Okay, it's easier for me there. Just know that many people are shutting me up, so better send it on WhatsApp. It's better that way. Okay, your name and this code you are seeing. Okay, so we can connect together and work together. I want to once again appreciate you. Just know that in short and core communication, we have you covered on ICT. Everything you need for ICT is there. If you need a website, we can design a website for you. Okay, whatever you need on ICT in all these courses we listed, we will offer them for you. Okay, for you and for your kids. If you're a parent and you are here, just know that your kids have a lot to benefit, a lot to gain. Okay. So let's join hands together and do this. Okay, this is an opportunity provided to us by a visionary venerable. So I want to thank him so much. I want to appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Like I said before, if you have a question, please forward the question to my WhatsApp. I will respond to you. Okay, thank you so much.